Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to use unique function in Excel. Why would you want to know how to use unique function in Excel? Well, maybe you have a big table and you want to get the info from a column. So today I am going to show you how to use unique function in Excel. Let's start. Okay, here's our table. Something like this column we want to get unique information from. Okay, let's press here. Let's type equal then unique press tab. Okay, let's choose array, our column, then enter. This is a unique information. That easy. There you go. If you want to know how to use unique function in Excel, that's the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to do it, leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.